Yeah.
America kwenu.
Yeah.
Indoji Neil no wakwezonu.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chukunon Soul Captures. Ndebanye, and I make it Lunu. Kabama Chukunon Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Shakom, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and this is another episode of the EVO Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So, shout out to Marshall. That's right. Give it up for Michelle for sending in her name for today's